Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some easy adjustments hack on Dress to Impress. So first, we are going to go to the Wicked room here and we're going to get Glinda's crown or some face sparkles. I know you're not able to see the vision yet, but trust me. So we're going to put the position of the y-axis to 0.07 and the z to 0.58. So you can't really see the sparkles. I mean, well, the crown, but you can see the sparkles, as you can see, to make your face shiny. If you want, you can kind of blend it with the crown, the hair a little bit and color it black here, like I'm doing right now. But you can still see the sparkles. The next hack is some face stitches. You are going to use this kind of like, I don't know what it's called. Where is it? Is it here? Yes, it's this one here. And we are going to position the y at 0.38, the z to 0.55, rotate the x to 0.49, the y to 0.66, the z to 0.48, and we're going to scale it down to 0.28. I am going to bring this down a little bit. Oh, sorry, it's at 0.33, not 0.38. You're going to color it the same as your skin tone, or try to color it the same. If you want to, I'm just going to adjust it just a little bit so it's more in the face, like that. And just color the rest like white or whatever you want the stitches color to be. Next is some heart clips for your hair. You do have to use VIP for this though. Gonna use the heart earrings. And for this one, we're going to position the y at 0.79, the z to 0.48, rotate the x to 0.53, the y to 0.32, and we're going to scale it down to 0.32. It may not work for all of the hairs. You might want to adjust it just a little bit more so it fits where the hair is. Looks cute. The next are bottom lashes. We are going to use the one from the Lady Gaga one. Color it black. I know it looks whack right now, but position the y to 0.52, the z to 0.49. Whoops. And we're going to scale it all the way down to 0.22. You might again have to adjust it with your, like the position of your eyes. And I think I might need to rotate it a little bit. I don't know why I'm able to see that part. But you are able to use it as some bottom lashes. It's just that part is sticking out. You might want to use like bangs or something. Or like you can rotate it or scale it down just a little bit more. Let me see what I can rotate. Okay, I'm able to rotate it kind of a little bit here. But I'm still able to see that, so. I mean, there we go. And we still have some bottom lashes to this. Okay. Lastly is cheek piercings. If you do have like the custom makeup, you don't need this, but I don't know why I said cheek really weird, but cheek piercings. I'm just going to grab this like pearl earring, and you can't see it yet. And I'm just going to use the metallic texture, and I'm just going to color it like silver. You can color it whatever color you want. Y 0.42 and then Z to 0.36. And then we're going to scale it all the way down to 0. If you want to scale it even more, you can jump while scaling. I think actually it doesn't work with scales. You do have to like save it and then make it smaller. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.